20 to 25% of my clients bring in 75 to 80% of my income. So every once in a while, I'll go to the principal and agency that I'm placing business with and say, would you be interested in buying part of my book? And what I'm left with are my good clients, my favorite clients, and I have more time to spend with them since they are providing most of my income. And then I start asking them for like and kind referrals. And so it's kind of like cutting away the dead on a vine so that there's more fruit. I think it would work in any kind of business.
You look at your business, you look at which 20% brings 80% of your business, the revenue. Right. So you keep those. The other 80% or so, you go to the principal and say if they would want to buy off that side. And if they say yes, you sell off. So now you just focus on that 20%. And then you grow the business out of that 20% from the referrals and those kinds of conversations.
Then
that's
my
cool. Brilliant, right?
And it's amazing how quickly you can replace that 80% with clients that are better. And so it's a continuing process. And I keep doing that every so often.